Guys, my video just cut out. But all I know, that was super scary. We heard kids screaming. He had a chainsaw running after us. Where's the bike? What is it? Hey guys, this is part 2. This is serious. I ain't getting that. But I'm way too scared. I ain't scared. But all I knew, I was freaked out. Now I don't really want to go over there anymore. Bro, the thing was super scary. One of the scariest things in my life. Billy! It's Billy, David. It's Billy. He ain't gonna bite. He ain't gonna bite.
We just heard a clown back there with a chainsaw.
There's the bulls out. I heard it.
No, they're dog.
No, like
They had it. He was chasing it.
and me and Gabe just standing there. The sound got closer and closer.
Yeah.
So we just ran.
And Rex started running.
So we started running.
Rex ain't scared of anything, but he is scared of chainsaws, ain't you, Rex? Sit down if that's yes. You want to sit down?
Are y'all afraid of turtles?
No.
Y'all better not be because y'all be real wimp.
David's super scared of turtles.
Oh my god.
Because he is a turtle.
I used to have
Guys,
a turtle. It was small.
leave us in the comments if you want to go back there. Well, we might go back there. David, let's go the other way. Let's show him the other way. Okay? Well, my heart's pounding. Like,
I'm not going back there.
we need to show the people the other way. Hey, let's go check the mail. Country style. Okay, me and David made this up. Country style. Bro, I hope I don't drop my phone.
Well, what if we see them
My
running
camera.
at us?
Bro, I'll be gone! I'm like, David! Oh god, that scared me, bro. Don't go on bumps because I got my own camera.
GoPro?
What?
Never mind.
My GoPro. Bro, slow down. Bro! I ain't dying. It should have came.
I don't think they did.